So we talk about some tips for better chart design. The tip that is needed in all chart design is that avoid adding extras such as site description, 3D, bevel and shadow. It can be for each chart. It doesn't mean that I have a column chart here and this tip is only for the column chart. The answer is no. These tips should be considered for all charts. Don't use unreadable fonts or models such as italicized text and try to put the legibility of your text in the first priority until you want to use effects that only create extra load on the audience memory, and don't use some effect that is neither beautiful nor educational and informative. The next tip is that use a variety of colors to better identify the various components of the chart, but do not overdo it in any way. Be careful not to use more than 6 colors in one design, and don't create a chart like the left chart that it created in a range of colors and gave effect to the chart unreasonable and make it messy. So pay attention for using the colors that try to use the color to show the different parts better, but don't overuse the color. And the other tip is that a text guide should be available for each chart to show what elements that is being compared and what is its purpose. Don't design the chart like this top one that it is not clear that what is it that for and what is the amount of each columns here. The chart below shows this tip in a correct way that each columns introduces and issue with an amount. So pay attention to add a guide text in your charts, and also pay attention that the charts are used to explain my content, so it is better to give a short overview about the chart and then show the chart in this way. The chart can convey your content to the audience better, and in this part I'm going to talk about the animations of the charts. Now the column chart that I put here with the wipe animation that they are shown separately. To do this you should regulate the simple setting in the animation part. The thing that I have done is that let me select the chart in the animation section. I open the animation pane. As you see, I gave a simple wipe animation to that. I delete this animation to give an animation to it again together and adjust it. We select the chart, and from animation section I select the wipe animation to the chart. Then in the effect option you can determine the way of displaying each components to be shown by series. That is, the series should be displayed first, or if you select the by category option, it will show each group first. It is related to your regulation in the effect option. This was all about the tips for designing the charts that we have reviewed them, and we have analyzed the different components of each chart, and we found out that each chart's usage, and we talk about the importance of this issue, that how important and effective they are in your presentation. If we show the statistics in a correct way, the audience will understand our intention and result of the data better. And one part of this section is left, that it is related to the creative charts, that in continuation we will study this together.
Thanks for watching this video. Hello, my name is Masum Shariflu. My specialty is graphic design and designing presentation slides with PowerPoint. If you need an engaging and effective presentation for your business or school project, I'm here to help you. To contact me, you can send a message to the email or WhatsApp or Telegram number mentioned in the video description. I look forward to hearing from you and providing the best possible service in designing your presentation. Thanks for your attention.